Cooking? Yes, obviously I'm doing cooking, but this is not a cooking video. This is a fashion video itself. What I will make, if you want to see that, if you want to watch the exclusive video, you have to go Fashion Ullas channel and you have to subscribe our channel and you have to buy the membership videos. So if you buy the membership, then you can watch my video cooking like this way.